Today we are going to learn how to check if a journal is Scopus indexed. So maybe you want to publish in a journal, but you want to publish in a journal that has already been indexed in Scopus. So how do you go about checking whether a journal has been indexed in Scopus or not? So the first thing that you should do when checking whether a journal is indexed in Scopus is that you have to come here and Google Scopus. When you Google Scopus, so you click on the first page, you open the Scopus website. So this is the Scopus website. So this is the Scopus website. When you open the Scopus website, you go to sources, you click on sources. When you click on sources, you'll be presented by this area where you can be able to find the journals that has been indexed in Scopus. So there are various ways in which you can search for a journal. You can search by subject area, you can search by title, you can search by publisher, and you can search by ISSN. So maybe we could search by ISSN. Remember, each journal has its own ISSN. So ISS means the ISS stands for International Standard Serial Number. So it is a serial number that identifies a journal. It identifies a magazine, a serial, a newspaper. So it is called International Standard Serial Number. So each journal has its own ISSN. So now let's come here and look for a particular journal. Maybe we can Google for any journal. Maybe you can say a journal of energy markets. Then we can search. Let's pick the first journal. Let's pick the first journal of energy markets. Let's open one journal and see. So when you open one journal, you go and check for its ISSN. So for this journal, which is called the Journal of Energy Markets, so here is the ISSN. So you copy it, then you come here and paste it here. You paste it there, then you find the source. So you can see we have one result. So you can see the journal has appeared. It has appeared in the list of Scopus. So you can see that this journal is actually indexed in Scopus. So you can see its site score. You can see the highest percentile. You can see the citations between 2020 and 2023. You can see the documents published in that journal between 2020 and 2023. You can see the percentage cited. So you can see that particular journal has already been indexed in Scopus. So maybe we can delete that one and find another journal. Let's look for a journal of maybe a journal of environment. Then we search a journal that is related to environment. Then we check whether it is indexed. So let us say we pick a journal like this, International Journal of Environment and Climate Change. So we open that particular journal. We look for its ISSN. So the ISSN of this journal is here. So here is the ISSN. You copy it and you come and paste it on the Scopus website, on the Scopus database. Come and paste it there. Then you find to see whether it will appear in the Scopus database. If it appears in the Scopus database, then it is indexed. So you can see what the database says. No source were found. So that means that particular journal is not indexed in Scopus. So that is how you check whether a journal has been indexed in Scopus or not. Thank you.